Hey, baby. Yeah, good job. Is it going so quickly? Yeah? Oh. Ha! Turn around. Good job. Good job. Okay, bye-bye. Yes? Hey, big girl. Big girl, bye-bye. No, you push your car. Push your car. Yeah. There you go. Bye-bye. Good job. Where are you going? Oh, careful. Where are you going? Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Turn around. What are these guys doing?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Brooke, show me your nice shirt. Ah, pretty, huh?
Look at my shirt.
Pretty. Mickey, you got a soccer ball, and Brooke, you got a 3-leaf clover for St. Paddy's Day.
Daddy?
Yes.
I can make his money for him.
Oh, put it in his pocket. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say Happy Paddy's Day.
Happy Paddy's Day.
Alrighty, lads. Hi, little Kelly. You have an Irish name. Say hi. Hi. Yes. Yes, say bye-bye.